So easy. Let's make it together.
Open Trovox website. It's all-in-one AI workspace. Then let's first generate the picture. Press on Image Generation. Then choose Nano Banana Pro and upload a picture of your jewelry. Write this prompt. You can copy it from my Instagram channel inside my bio. Press on Generate and generate different pictures with this style with your jewelry. Then it's time to generate the video. Press on Video and upload the picture that you just generated. You can choose the AI model between all of these models. Press on Killing AI 2.5. Then write this simple prompt and press on Generate. Generate all of them and you should have something amazing like this. Sign up in Trovox right now and enjoy all different AI options.